topic is lines. Today we're going to learn about lines again, the way they curve, and if they're smooth or rough. We're also going to learn about two new types of lines, thick lines and thin lines. Activity 1. There are many kinds of lines. You get straight lines as well as curved lines. There are long lines as well as short lines. Some lines can be rough, but others could be smooth. Activity 2. Which lines are which? Name the lines using the words. You can pause the video here to name these lines. Alright, let's see if you got these lines named. The first line is rough. The second line is smooth. And the third line is curved. Did you get it? Activity 3. All kinds of lines can be thick or thin, even rough and curved lines. Can you tell which line is thick and which one is thin? You can pause the video here to figure it out. Very good. Let's see if you got these lines right. The thick lines include the orange line, the red line, and the yellow line. The thin lines include the blue line, the green line, and the purple line. Activity 4. Can you count how many thick lines and how many thin lines there are below? Pause the video to count these lines. Let's see if you could count those lines. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 thick lines. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thin lines. Activity 5. Now that you know about thick and thin lines, draw the following pattern. 1 thick line, 2 thin lines, 1 thick line, 2 thin lines. Continue as long as you want. You can use smooth, rough, straight, or curved lines. Pause the video now to draw your pattern. If you drew the pattern 1 thick line, 2 thin lines, 1 thick line, 2 thin lines, your pattern should look something like this. As a last fun thing to do after the lesson, let's put all of our line skills together and draw a picture, like a car or a flower or even your name, using all the lines we have learned about. I hope you had so much fun with me today. Until next time, bye bye!